What if I told you that the secret to achieving your biggest dreams isn't talent, luck, or even motivation? Instead, it's something much simpler but often overlooked: consistency. Whether you're striving to excel in your career, improve your health, or master a new skill, consistency is the glue that holds long-term success together. In this video, we're going to explore why consistency is so powerful, how it impacts every aspect of your journey, and practical strategies to stay consistent even when the going gets tough. If you're ready to unlock the power of consistency, keep watching, because this could be the game changer you've been looking for. 1. The power of small steps repeated over time. Consistency often gets mistaken for perfection, but they couldn't be more different. Consistency isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up regularly. Small, repeated actions might not feel significant in the moment, but over time, they compound into massive results. Think of it like planting a seed. Watering it once won't give you a tree, but watering it consistently, even with small amounts, will eventually lead to growth. This principle applies to almost everything in life: fitness, relationships, learning, and career development. 2. How consistency builds habits. Habits are the foundation of success, and consistency is what transforms one-time efforts into lasting habits. According to studies, it takes about 66 days on average to form a habit. The first few weeks might feel like an uphill battle, but once you cross that threshold, the effort becomes automatic. For example, waking up early to exercise might feel like a chore initially, but if you stick to it daily, it becomes a natural part of your routine. Consistency reprograms your brain to prioritize what's important, making success feel more achievable. 3. The psychological edge of consistency. Beyond habits, consistency builds trust, not just with others but with yourself. When you follow through on small commitments, you signal to your brain that you're reliable. This increases your self-esteem and reduces the inner conflict that arises when you procrastinate or give up. Over time, this psychological shift becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. You trust yourself to handle bigger challenges because you've proven your ability to stay the course on smaller ones. 4. Consistency versus motivation. Motivation is fleeting. It's there one day and gone the next. Consistency, however, doesn't rely on how you feel. It relies on systems and discipline. This is why successful people often emphasize routines over motivation. They know they can't rely on fleeting emotions to dictate their actions. A great way to counter the ups and downs of motivation is to focus on building systems. For example, instead of deciding each day whether you feel like working out, set a non-negotiable time in your schedule for it. By creating structure, you remove the decision-making process that can lead to inconsistency. 5. Consistency in the face of setbacks. Many people abandon consistency when they face setbacks. But here's the truth: setbacks are inevitable. What separates those who succeed from those who don't is how they respond to those setbacks. Missing one day or making a mistake doesn't erase all the progress you've made. The key is to bounce back quickly instead of letting one off day turn into a week or a month. Progress isn't linear. It's the cumulative result of showing up more often than not. 6. Practical tips to stay consistent. Set realistic goals. Break your big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes it easier to stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. Track your progress. Whether it's through journaling, apps, or checklists, tracking keeps you accountable and helps you see how far you've come. Build a support system. Surround yourself with people who encourage you to stay consistent. Accountability partners or mentors can make a huge difference. Reward your efforts. Celebrate small wins along the way. Rewards keep you motivated and reinforce the value of staying consistent. Be kind to yourself. Consistency doesn't mean perfection. Be patient with yourself and focus on progress, not perfection. Success isn't about making giant leaps. It's about taking small, steady steps every single day. Consistency is what bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be. It's the quiet force that amplifies your efforts, transforms habits, and builds a foundation for lasting success. If this video inspired you, hit the like button and share it with someone who could use a reminder about the power of consistency. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content that helps you unlock your full potential. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, it's only a matter of time before you get there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.